emanating from a Vaishnava. Like that. Then the Rupa Guna Leela. Then they are revealed. As the sunlight is emanating from the sun, is Nama just emanating from me? Only then I will be a Vaishnava. Otherwise I'm cheating myself. And not just Nama, Prema Nama. How can we get that? Simply taking shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's words. In the Nama is the Prema. We take ditto. No, there is no point in using the brain or intelligence here. We will be lost. These are the words of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. I take the words of Gauranga Mahaprabhu on my head, in my heart, in my life, and then Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The Nama has such a potency. Mind noise is big, right? ऐसा होता है. But the Nama comes to our rescue. It quietens the mind. There is nothing else that can quieten the mind in the Kali Yuga. Kali Kala Nama Rupa Krishna Avatar. First thing Harinam Krishna does is quietens the mind. That is why, Sarvanartha Nasha. As the mind quietens, the heart becomes warmer. Simultaneously, as the mind quietens, chaos comes down, the heart becomes warmer. When the heart becomes warmer, then the Vaishnava qualities are already there. In all the jivas, they just get blossomed. So much so that the Nama will take us into the Dhama, where it is a land of divine love. Harinam does it all. मैं कुछ करने के नहीं. I should let the Harinam come into me and everything happens. The only anga of bhakti where everything that can happen is this Nama Ashraya. Chanting is happening, but is Ashraya happening? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Until we meet again, until next week, this is only a start, like the jump start. Only to continue this ashraya of the Nama. Continue. की शायाने की भोजने की बाजागरणे आहार निशा चिंता कृष्णा बलह वदाने यदियामा प्रति स्नेहा ताबे सब करा ताबे कृष्णा व्यतिरिक्ता नागाईबे आरा. यदियामा प्रति स्नेहा ताकि सब करा ताबे कृष्णा व्यतिरिक्ता नागाईबे आरा. From now on, in the mind or on the tongue, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. If there is any communication needed, just communication, minimal communication in sattva. That's all. Otherwise, nothing to do with this world. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Premanam. That's all. Do we have to do anything different? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. गौर प्रेम नाम संकीर्तन की जय. श्री श्री राधा गोलोकानंद की जय. राधा श्याम सुंदर जी की जय. राधा माधव की जय. श्री राधा गोपाल जी की जय. श्री पंचतत्व की जय. श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. समस्त गुरु वर्ग की जय. गौर भक्त I know that intolerance means I'm just being intolerant to Krishna. Can you imagine that, Mataji? But the thing is, that is the thing. I should realize that. For everything, the later half of Bhagavad Gita, the modes is intolerance is like the envy thing down to urine. Intolerance also, the body is sending the messages. कि कैसे महसूस होता है? Yeah.
क्योंकि वो ऑटो पायलट पे चल रहा है इसलिए वो रियलाइजेशन ही नहीं आता.
हाँ.
At that point of time.
I got a chance to meet cook with her. Okay, yeah.
You know, in the nectar of instruction, Upadesa Amrita. Upadesa Amrita, you know what the meaning of Upadesa Amrita means? Upadesa Amrita. If you have to stay closer to Krishna, you have to drink this nectar. Upadesa Amrita. That's the thing. It's not like I'm instructing if you don't do it, that's not good for you. No. If you have to come too close to Krishna, drink the nectar, you do this. Vacho vegam manasa krodha vegam udara vegam gush. Gush is our real enemy. Gush is the real enemy. Gush. Nobody gush. You know, I want to say something.
That gush to respond.
That energy. Talking in terms of we will not go wrong. Talking in terms of energy, we don't go wrong. Gush mane, unstoppable urge. कुछ करना है, कुछ बोलना है. Something, something. Any gush. Shades of gush है, but an impelling force from within कि कुछ करना है, कुछ बोलना है. To think something. वो भी जरूरत नहीं है. कुछ भी जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे. First ऐसा ये जरूरत नहीं है. This is my distracting pause. Pause. Pause is meant to reset the button to reality. Krishna. वहाँ है Krishna, यहाँ है Krishna. Krishna's arrangement. So gush is an indicator for the need of pause. Gush mane, Krishna is saying you should pause. So that is it. We have to do it. It is like what makes us pause? How will you pause? First of all is this gush that I have. This is my only enemy. This is the thing that destroys me and others. वो पहले सुनना है. Convinced. And the next thing is the practice thing. Then gush, Hare Krishna, Krishna practice. Practicing with convincing. Convinced है, this is not good for me, not good for anybody. And one more thing, even if the mind says it is okay to be gushy now, वो भी बोलता है. आप you can be gushy. ये है ना, सच्चे cheater है वहाँ पे. नहीं, there is never okay for a gush. वो भी है. No gush and never okay for gush. ऐसा लिख के this is आप in our condition is ऐसा लिख के Krishna बोल के then we have to get that gush down to such a point prayerfully. Gush initial prayer नहीं होगा. Gush the Krishna, even if it is shouting also it should be only Krishna. Krishna. Pair gush with Krishna. When gush, then Krishna. Gush, Krishna. Prayerfully if possible.
How many years it will take Mataji for doing that?
It depends upon how sincere we are. How much we want Krishna. Do I really want Krishna? Proportionate to that. Yes. Otherwise it may take lives. A futile exercise. Do I really want Krishna? Yes. So morning till evening. That's the button. Krishna. Anything substantial will not come easy, Mataji. नहीं आएगा. What to speak of bhakti, even goodness, something substantial, ऐसे नहीं आएगा. It will be gradual, baby step at a time, prayerfully. Yeah. For this, ये चतुर्मास्य है ना? Okay.
अब से माता जी नेक्स्ट चतुर्मास्य है 4 months माता जी
मैं तो एक वीक का टारगेट माता जी आपने जी बोला ना अभी आई एम टारगेटिंग नेक्स्ट वीक तक
यही।
जब बोलना है फिर सत्वा अदरवाइज कृष्णा कृष्णा
ठीक है ऐसे एक पकड़ के
वन वीक
हाँ यस ऐसा
Smaller target.
या द पॉइंट हियर इज कृष्णा को पकड़ना है दैट इज थिंग कृष्णा हैज टू बी
Gush
देयर
means
कृष्णा को पकड़े ठीक है ऐसा यू नो एकादशी पे शुरू करें on एकादशी या कृष्णा आई डोंट वांट टू गश यू कृष्णा ये मेरी प्रेयर है एकादशी until next एकादशी it will come back because कृष्णा के लिए है ना because कृष्णा इज देयर जरूर आ जाए जरूर आ जाए anything with Krishna there will happen Mataji. It's not Sattva anymore, that's Krishna.
This jadoo wala can only be controlled with
Oh,
that
yes.
jadoo wala.
नहीं तो क्या क्या द लैंग्वेज बदलता है टोन बदलता है रीजनिंग बदलता है एक्सक्यूज मी कृष्ण 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 कृष्ण
I really like gave the name jadoo wala. इधर भी है उधर भी है
जादू करना है और झाड़ू भी तो लगाते हैं इसके लिए तो झाड़ू चाहिए झाड़ू
बट जरूर
You did that parenting class, no?
या